you can definitely private label your products in China and then ship them into India, no dramas at all. Would these products need to have made in China label on them also? So India is quite unique when it comes to importing, in that for the UK, for the USA, for most of Europe, and for Australia, if you create a product in China and then import it into one of those countries, you must say on the packaging and on the label, if you've got the packaging and label, made in China. So it must say that somewhere on both the packaging and the label, okay? But India is different. So when you import from China into India, you do not put the factory, so made in China, on it. What you put on it instead is the name of the importer, which is much different thing. So theoretically, well, you need a company in India to sell in India. So if your company is selling in India, which is the only way you can sell in India, you put your company on it, because your company who has imported the product. That's what goes onto it. Then you'll also put on your expiry date and a lot of other things as well. And you can write your labels as well in either English or in Hindi. And I'm going to say always English, because then there is a tacit understanding that the products were imported rather than being made in India, okay? And there is some additional cachet that goes along with having products from outside of India imported in, just as there is in China, for instance, with having products that are not made in China, which is funny as all hell. There's a lot more cachet and weight given to the quality of those products. So that's the answer to that question. The other thing you may want to think about as well is India, like China, has got a huge manufacturing section of its economy. They make and manufacture heaps of stuff. Most people don't think about India in the same way they think about China for getting things made, but India is brilliant, and the quality and all the rest of it is as good as China, if not better for some things. And so why not go source from India? And the best place to do that is Global Sources. I'll give you that. There it is. You can see how much I use this stuff. It's just all over the place. I'll give you the link for that. If you're watching this, it is globalsources.com. globalsources.com. I'm going to share that with everyone, send to all. So Christina, you might think about going to Global Sources, and loads and loads of Indians companies go to Global Sources in much the same way that they go to Alibaba in China. Global Sources tends to have a lot of Indian companies on it, as well as from all over the world as well. So go look for your product there. You may be very pleasantly surprised how cheaply you can buy it from India, and then you don't have to import it. You don't have the import tariffs, of which you will definitely have some. So we pay, for instance, on the skincare that we sell in India, we pay 300% tax on that product to sell it in India, which is nuts. So, but even with the tax, it still makes sense. But anyway, that's a whole different conversation. So you may be surprised at how much money you can save by doing that. So definitely check that out, Christina. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below, and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.